My next question is that what would you say are three key milestones in your life or your career?
Yeah, so I've already talked about two of them.
Mm.
The first one was when I organized that anti-corruption march, and
Corruption.
what I realized, the lesson from that is that, like, if you say yes to something or if you really commit to something, the how will take care of itself. Normally, we stop ourselves from committing to something bigger because we do not know how to make it happen.
Yeah.
But I don't think we need to do so. So we can actually commit if it
Yeah.
matters to us, and then the how will take care of itself. So that's the lesson which I took away from that.
Yeah.
The second was, again, as I said, my mother's passing away. And I think something which almost everybody faces setbacks or loss in their life. And the second key lesson from this is, like, how do you see it as a gift? How do you see that this happened to make you stronger? This happened, and it took me a long time to realize this. But if you ask this question, right, with every setback, with every failure, with every loss, how is this playing a role in the next phase of my life?
Right.
What can I learn? So that's the second incident and the second key lesson. And I think the third one is, which I'm discovering now, and also with my experience with photography, is like, whichever way you see the world is not the reality. It's the way you see the world,
Very well
right?
said.
And the more you meet other people, you see that other people see the world differently. So that leaves me very humble. That leaves me, and like, so I say that never say never. So, and always be flexible. So no matter how strongly I believe in a particular idea, a thought, or an opinion, I am always willing to look the other way. I'm willing to look, like, consider my adversary's point of view, because who knows, right? Maybe my vision is just my vision, and it's not like the truth or the fact like I think it is. So that's, I think, every day I get to see this. If I speak to somebody and they give me a perspective which is different from my mind, and it's like an aha moment. So never say never, and always be flexible is one of my mantras in life.
Fascinating. I loved your comments about commit and how will take care of itself. I think that is a very powerful statement.